Hello guys. So today on BuzzFeed, no, I'm just kidding. Today on Soto y Jazz, we're gonna do a taste test. And me being Mexican and Jessica being Salvadorian, this is like her first time trying out a couple of these things. So we are gonna go forward or back, and she is gonna tell us her opinion on these goodies from Mexico. So here we have alfajor. Here we have some chocolate bar, some paleta de chile, chocolates with tequila inside, and habas with chile, churros, and cajeta with vino.
What is this called?
Churros.
This is not a churro.
That's churros.
No, churros covered in cinnamon and sugar.
No, this is churros.
¿Churros de qué?
Churros.
Churros.
They're called churros. The other ones are called churros too.
Churros.
I swear.
Oh my goodness. You can't put a name on something just because you get the idea.
Those are churros.
So are they sweet?
Well, try them. Come on.
This just tastes like a lighter, non-salted pretzel, but better. I like this one.
Sometimes we put tapatio on it.
It's a little bit.
This commercial was not sponsored by Tapatio.
I think I like it better without it. It's not a churro though.
Those are churros.
Next one. I like this one. What are these? Are these churros too?
Those are called habas.
No, these are churros. Because everything's a damn churro. What are these called?
Habas.
Okay, what is an haba?
Habas con chile.
Because they look like an extra large bean.
These you could buy them usually in Mexican stores, and they're yellow,
But it's like a bean
like
or
a big bean.
Okay, so what do I do with it?
You eat it. You just don't eat the brown, because that's the cáscara.
You don't eat the brown.
Yeah, that's the extra layer.
So I take it off?
Yes.
I have to peel it off?
You could, or you could just bite it.
So just the inside. Oh look, this one doesn't have an outside. I'll just take this one.
What?
I don't like the aftertaste.
What does that have to taste like?
Like, it kind of tastes like a peanut, but it's not a peanut. Because in the
Ain't
aftertaste,
nothing but a peanut.
it just tastes so weird. I don't know if I like this one. Yeah, I think I'm gonna pass on this one. Sorry. This isn't Mexican.
That's Mexican. Where did it come from? Mexico.
I've seen this in Super King. Just because
Super King gets their products from Mexico.
just because they wrote the words in Spanish, español, doesn't mean it's Mexican. Hecho en Mexico.
That's right. And it's Mexico, no Mexico.
Pastelito con cobertura a base de cacao con relleno de base de leche. So it's a cake covered in chocolate with a milk filling.
Don't eat so much because you are lactose intolerant.
I don't care.
Y luego los pedos van a estar dangerous.
Don't tell me what to do. You don't tell me what to do. I like chocolate. Ooh, this one I like. I already know it. I know it. This one I like. I like a lot. It's like yeah, like bready. It's like a chocolate bread.
Like a gansito?
Not really. Kinda. Like it's covered in chocolate like a gansito, but the gansito is like white vanilla bread. This is chocolate, but it's a thin layer of like chocolate, and the cream almost tastes like what's inside of a
The Circle, other Mexican ones? No, the Circle, gansito, not the gansito.
You know what it tastes like? What's the one that has the little white thing like this? Like it's like a round.
Yes, that one.
Like
That's the one I'm
chocolate
talking about.
bread.
And it comes in two.
Yeah, and it has like a little thing, like a white thing like this, like a. That's exactly what it tastes like. That's exactly what it tastes like. I like this one. I like
Okay,
it.
don't eat it all. Don't eat it all. We only got one.
I like this one.
Don't eat it all. They only got one.
I've been waiting for this one. I just wanted to know what this one tastes like. So this one's called Giselle. Oh, Giselle. Chocolates. So this one, apparently, there's... What is in this one?
Tequila.
Tequila.
What gets you super turned, you know what I mean?
I really look like on the inside. It is a little bitter on the inside, like if it is like alcohol in there. What I don't like is the chocolate. The chocolate tastes cheap. Like you know what it tastes like? Okay, the chocolate tastes like when you go to that function and there's a piñata when you were little and you smash thinking that you're gonna get like bomb ass candy, and it's like that value pack kind of candy, but the inside it makes up for it. This one I can do. This one I'm a little worried about.
Why?
Because your mom gave me this before, and she bought it at a local supermarket, and it was straight up all sugar. Like
This is all sugar.
No.
It's just sugar and cocoa.
No, but see alfajor.
With a little bit of a pink in the top.
No, but see alfajor. There's this little like Salvadorian market, like a block away from like where my parents live. That's El Guerrero. That's what it's called. And they sell this too, but it's like legit coconut shreds. So when your mom gave me the alfajor, that bootlegged shit, it was all sugar. And
Well, this is the real shit from the OG Mexico shit.
No, we'll
The
see.
real deal.
You know what this tastes like?
What?
Diabetes.
It's all sugar.
It's like if I grab a spoonful of sugar and just stick it in my mouth.
It's that good.
That's literally what it is. It actually tastes like coconut though. But I feel like I can't have too much of it because then it's so grainy with sugar that I just... What is that word? Que te
Palagas.
empalagas. That stuff. Which means that when you have too much sweets and then it just becomes kind of like icky to you, like I don't want any more. That's what it tastes like. But I don't know, this one actually tastes pretty good. But you gotta try the one by the Salvadorian market. That thing, you don't get ripped off by freaking loads of sugar. It's coconut flakes. Of course it has chile. It's Mexican. La raqueta original.
¿No te gusta el chile o what?
Huh? No, I like chile. Look, 22 grams. It doesn't say what, so I'm just gonna assume protein.
Of course.
I like this one. This one is more on the sweeter side than the chile side. It's not like those lollipops, the mango ones that are just covered in chile and you have to suck up all the chile before you get to the sweet part. This is already sweet, like to begin with. I like this one. I already know I'm gonna fuck with this one for sure.
Why are you cussing?
Because I can. You know what I like about this one? That it says energía 73 calories. Like, I didn't know that, like, the nutritional facts, you could base and count the energy by calories on, like, a chocolate bar. You know what? It's kind of funny. This one's macro friendly for sure. It's gonna give me 73 calories of energy. This actually tastes like white chocolate rather than dark, like milk chocolate. It doesn't taste like milk chocolate. It tastes like white chocolate. Maybe because the inside is. I don't know what the inside is.
It's leche.
It's milk, but I mean, I'm pretty sure it's white chocolate because this just straight up tastes like white chocolate. It doesn't taste like milk chocolate. Oh, that was
Too much fire. Too much fire.
Cajeta. This I know I like because I like caramel. Let's see how this tastes.
And they have vino in it too.
What's up with y'all putting alcohol in everything?
Because it's that good. It's that Gucci stuff.
Well, it doesn't smell like alcohol.
Maybe this one doesn't have vino.
Okay, question. Does this taste like the cajeta you buy at like Vallarta?
Oh, hell no!
This is different.
This is the Gucci shit.
Okay. I get a little bit.
This is the premium shit. This is the VIP shit.
And what do you eat cajeta with?
You could eat it with the toast.
Mm-hmm.
With the toast.
What else?
The toast.
Okay, toast. This one's really good. It actually has the taste of like nuez, like walnuts. This one's really good.
They say if you finish the whole jar, gains will follow the next day.
You know what I like about this one?
What?
No nutritional facts. So, therefore,
no calories.
0 calories, 0 fat, 0 everything. It doesn't even count. You don't have to track it because nothing.
This concludes
Oh my
our video,
God.
guys. Did I scare you?
Yeah, you scared me.
So if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to the channel. And thank you for all the views and all the support and all the likes. And if this is your first time, subscribe to the channel. We bring out a lot of content from lifting, where to go and eat, and food, and all sorts of stuff. Bye!